Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to group slides for our arrangements within ProPresenter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on a document over here in our library, and I've clicked on Lord, I Need You. This one is kind of a mess and needs to be grouped. So basically how you group all of these is you right click on the slide and you go over here to group label, and basically this you're just telling each slide basically what part of the song it is. So I'm going to ungroup this one so you can see it currently says verse 1, but that's actually okay. I actually want a blank slide at the beginning of my verse 1s. So with this group, I'm going to ungroup it, and it will automatically turn to this verse 1 color. So this one is also verse 1, so I'm going to ungroup this one. So there, basically we have 3 slides, and it starts with verse 1, and then it comes to the chorus here, which I'm going to add a label, and chorus 1. So now it's chorus 1. Same thing for this one. I'm going to ungroup it though. You only need to group the beginning of each section. So I'm going to ungroup that, and then I'm going to add a blank slide in here. To add a blank slide, I just click on it while I'm holding the command button, and it turns blue, and then I'll go down here and click this button that says add a blank slide. Okay, so we're going to go back to our song. So verse 2, I'm going to click verse 2, and this is also verse 2, but I'm going to ungroup it. Chorus again, so we'll do the same thing, group label, chorus. Same thing for the bridge 1, and then we end with the chorus. And then I'm going to ungroup this one, and then this one is kind of like a little tag at the end, so I'm just going to label this tag. So basically this is this, and once you've grouped each section, now you can come up here and click this button right next to the clock, and this is basically shows your arrangement. So once you're in here, you see this verse 1, chorus 1, verse 2. Now you can drag these into whatever order you would like. So let's say you want to do verse 2 right after verse 1, you just drag it and it will automatically update in the software below. So we're going to bring this back because I actually want verse 2 after chorus 1. So that is how you do that. Another way, let's say when the band is playing this and they do verse 1, but they want to do verse 1 again, the quickest way to do that is to hold the command button on the keyboard and click all 3 of these, or just select. I think you can just select, basically just by clicking and dragging to select these. And then you're going to click copy. And then if you click this 3 one, then if you click paste, it will paste a whole nother verse, and it will be labeled as verse 1. So if we go back into this arrangement view, it'll say verse 1 and verse 1 again. So that is the simplest way of how to do this. Whenever there's times when the band wants to add a different or another bridge or another chorus, just by copying this, copy, and then you do the last one in the slide, you select it, and then you paste. I used Command V there instead of right clicking, but you can also paste like there. So that is basically how you do that in the simplest way. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks.